How to fix TripAdvisor review not publishing. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is review your guidelines. Ensure that the review actually contains no vulgarity and also personal contact information, external link, or formatting errors, right? So after making sure that, now the another thing that you can do is simply check your processing status. So for that, you can get into your TripAdvisor, make sure that you logged into your account, and then from there, what you're going to do is simply tap on that menu bar right here, and then you'll be able to tap on your profile if you're logged into your account. Tap on that one, and then you can tap on reviews. Then you can check if the review status is under review, which actually takes about 24 to 48 hours. So after doing that, now you can edit and resubmit. If you are rejected, then you can open the draft in profile, and on your profile you can see edit offending content. Then from there you can tap on submit it, and I'm pretty sure it will help you fix the issue. If not, then you can try to clear all of your app cache. If stuck submitting on mobile, you can clear all of the app cache. Or if you are on the browser just like me, then you can actually clear all of your browser history and data and try it again. And I'm pretty sure that it will help you fix the TripAdvisor review not publishing.